Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome to night one of PayJack. Introducing first, representing the Generation X. Give it up for Sergeant Mario. And his opponent, representing Jackhammer Nation from Chicago, Illinois. Give it up for the Drum Monkey. And his opponent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, representing the Brood. Give it up for Rod Brown. And finally, his opponent. He is the reigning and defending JWE Friends for Life champion, representing the Davis boys. Give it up for Graham Davis. And here we go. Rod and Sergeant are going at it here. Drum and Graham are going on the other side. This is going to be a barn burner of a match tonight, folks. Sergeant Mario drops Rod on his back. Oh, what a neck breaker there by Drum Monkey. Oh, Drum gets dropped down like a sack of potatoes. Drum Monkey in the corner. Drum Monkey's in the corner now. Sergeant Mario going after Graham Davis here. Oof! What a move there by Sarge. Drum Monkey. Knee to the gut. Holy sugar plum fairies. Sarge's going after Graham. Graham reverses it. Now it's going after Rod. Rod's down. Rolled underneath the bottom rope. Alley-oop. Down goes the Drum Monkey. Oh, Sergeant Mario's over the top. But he's not eliminated. He's back in. Graham now gets a neck breaker. Drum Monkey now grabs Graham. Sergeant Mario up against the ropes by Rod. Rod picks him up. Can he eliminate Sergeant Mario? No, he's over the top, but not on the floor. He's still in this. Drum Monkey's now been... now Graham's got Rod on his shoulders. Drops him down like a sack of potatoes. Graham now gets beat up by Drum Monkey. Drum Monkey! Oh, eliminates Graham Davis! Graham Davis is eliminated. We're guaranteed to have a new champion here tonight. Will it be Sergeant Mario? Will it be Drum Monkey? Or will it be Rod Brown? Oh, Drum Monkey. He's still alive. He's on against the ropes, but nobody's going after him. Oh, Sergeant Mario now has the wicked stepsister. Rod's about to eat canvas. He does. Holy sugar. Sugar. Yep. He ate sugar, alright. Sorry. I just love sugar jokes. Uh-oh. What's Monkey doing here? He drops him down. Rod now rolling over to the bottom turnbuckle. Sergeant Mario's now and Drum Monkey. Drum Monkey has Sergeant Mario in the corner. Can he lift? Oh, he lifted him up. Sergeant Sergeant Mario still in? Can he survive? Can he survive this? He does. Springboard cutter connects the drum. Monkey. Sergeant Mario now. In the corner again. Chop blocked by Rod Brown. Rod punches Sergeant Mario right in the face. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, kick to the gut. What a move there by Sergeant Mario. Rod is down. He's back on his feet. Sergeant Mario has Rod against the ropes. Rod Brown has been eliminated. We are down to 2. We're down to Sergeant Mario and Drum Monkey. Drum Monkey now. He's got it. He's got Sergeant Mario up against... Oh, heel hook. Heel hook being applied to Sergeant Mario. Can Drum Monkey become a champion here? All we gotta do is get rid of Sarge. He's big and Sergeant over. Settle the top turn, buckle. We got blood. Sergeant Mario is bleeding. Oh, he elbow to the face. Drum Monkey now. Just caught. Dropped down. Like a sack of potatoes. Oh, elbow to the face now. He picks him up. Sergeant Mario. Oh, belly to belly suplex. He's going for the European arm breaker. Connects. Drum Monkey is in pain. Sergeant Mario picks him up. He grabs Drum Monkey. Holding him against the ropes. He picks him. Can he eliminate Drum Monkey? And he does. Here is your winner. And the new JWE Friends for Life champion, Sergeant Mario. Congratulations, Sergeant. Well deserved, my friend. I'll be back.